Imagine pointing your phone camera at a room and instantly getting a 3D floor plan with all the objects inside, walls, sofas, beds, and more. This isn't sci-fi. It's SpatialLM, a groundbreaking AI tool that turns ordinary video into highly detailed 3D layouts. No LiDAR or depth sensors required. So how does it work? SpatialLM is a 3D large language model that processes point clouds from RGB videos, SLAM outputs, or depth images. It translates these into structured scene outputs, detecting architectural elements like walls, doors, windows, and even detailed objects. There are two core models powering this. SpatialLM Llama-1B. SpatialLM-Qwen-0.5B. These models were tested on a new benchmark called the SpatialLM-Testset, built from RGB videos. Despite the noisy input, SpatialLM nailed the challenge, with IOU scores as high as 95% for beds and 66% for sofas. Unlike older systems that needed depth sensors or fancy equipment, SpatialLM is flexible. It works with monocular videos, RGBD, and LiDAR. It also outputs in IFC, an industry-standard 3D format. Why does this matter? Because this could become the spatial brain for AI agents and robots, helping them navigate, plan, and act more effectively, especially in complex, real-world environments. SpatialLM is an open-source AI model that converts regular videos into detailed 3D layouts, walls, doors, furniture, and more. It's trained on real-world point cloud data and works with input from RGB cameras, depth sensors, or LiDAR. You don't need specialized hardware, just a simple video is enough. Whether you're into robotics, architecture, or smart spatial planning, SpatialLM is a glimpse into how AI understands and reconstructs physical environments. If you found this exciting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI updates every week.